What's up, Paradise Crew? This is Griff from Griff and Alyssa, and today we're talking about all the tech we'll be bringing on our next cruise. Now, full disclaimer, I'm not saying you have to go out and buy all this stuff to have a good time, but in an effort to teach you guys something new and to show you how we pack our tech, I wanted to show you all my cruise camera gear. These are just a few things we use to vlog, take photos, and just get awesome footage of our vacation. So, welcome to Tech Gear Cruise Packing 2018. Whew, that was a mouthful. Roll intro. Okay, first thing first, the backpack. This T-shape is where your DSLR, your camera, goes. I'd show you my DSLR, but I'm using it right now to film with. DJI Mavic Pro. This drone is awesome. Super lightweight and easy to pack. I like to put 2 extra drone batteries underneath. This gives me 75 minutes of flight time. I won't go into much detail, but I use 3 main lenses. 85mm for portraits, 24-70 as my standard zoom lens, and a 50mm for cinematic shots you all love so much. I use 2 mics, Video Mic Pro Plus and Video Rode Mic Go. Action cameras, GoPro Hero 5 plus the Yi 4K Ultra. I'll do a review of this later, but spoiler alert, the GoPro 5 is way better. Lens filters, they help me get professional shots on an amateur drone. LED light, great for vlogging at night on top of the ship. It'll help illuminate your face. Extra audio cord. Now, there's a little wiggle on that lens, but I'm okay with this. These are Gorilla Pods. The first one holds up to 5 pounds, I think, and then the second one holds up to 11. This yellow banana thing is a GoPro floaty, so if I drop the GoPro in water, it will float right to the top. GoPro charger, it extends my battery life by 3 times. Both are very important for action cameras. This is a mount. It sticks to Jeeps, windows, doors, etc. G7X Mark II is Alyssa's new vlogging camera. Super awesome. Highly recommend it. Now here's what I meant by I don't pack my Gorilla Pods. Because we're vloggers, usually these are attached to our camera pretty much all the time. So this is our camera bag. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, check out this sweet setup at 1, 2, 3.
And boom, just like that. This is what you're looking at, or this is what the camera was looking at, packing the bag. So let me flip this down. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't think I'm gonna end it here, but this is that Canon 6D Mark II I was talking about. This is the patent pending Eldachrome that goes to this that I was mentioning earlier before, so this won't be packed inside of the bag. I think I'm just gonna check that. But yeah, this is going to be my little secret weapon, not this entire tripod, but this here and that. I have a special project for you guys in mind. I hope it comes out great. Really pumped, but yep. This is my setup right now. I'll give you guys a far look, the lights and everything in the bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in paradise next time.